In this class we are going to learn mandala art. So very basic step we are going to start now. So this is your pencil and this is your compass. So what you can do, you can put inside, and this one you have to check whether it is equally, this tip and this tip should be equal, and then what you have to do, this one you have to tie it. Now this pencil is not moving. Now we can stretch it and we can reduce that size as per our requirement. So here what I am going to do, I am going to make a circle, that full page circle. So this is the center of our page. Approximately you can find out, and you just check that whether it is center or not. Both the sides I can see this is checked. Equally distance I am leaving, one finger this side, another down also one finger. And after that I am just rotating my compass this way. Carefully you have to do. Initially you may find difficulty, but with regular practice you can do it. See, this one I have pressured to the center, and then I am making round. Now we can mark our center. This is our center from where that we have done that compass work. Now after that what we can do, anywhere you can make one slipping line. Now anywhere you can put up your scale, any directions, you have to take a slipping line. It is better to take that straight so that we can divide equally. So one line this side, and after doing this slipping line you can take a protector. This is called protector. So this is your center line. Center line, just you touch this one, this base, and this is a slipping line we have to attach here. Now you have to check which is the center one. So this is a center, 90. Okay, so what we can do, you can remove and you can make one more line directly to up to, with 2 dots we have got, third dot automatically we will get. Now we have divided this equally. Okay, now again what we can do, again we can put this protector here. Be very careful. And after that this is 90. Okay, then what we can do, we can divide it 90 and 180, that this one, in these two between, see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So what is the half of that? That is of 45. This is 40 and this is 5 more I am going to add. This is 40 plus 5. This is called 45. So 45 is half of this area. And similarly this side also you can see 40 plus 5. This is 45. Similarly I am going to do to down part also. Either you can rotate your page or you can do directly. (45°), and here also this is 45°. Now what I will do, I'll attach these whole line. Passing through center. Now we have divided this into equal parts. Now you can take compass again and you can make one more circle. I want to add something here. So keep on practicing to make circle. Circle and protector, two things is very important to understand this drawing. So this circle also I have made. Now to this center part, any drawing, freehand drawing you can make. If you want to add cup, saucer, teddy, any drawing that you can do. So here I am going to make one. Smiley. and you can convert it as a ears. So you can make like a rabbit also. Anything you can do. This tongue is out, but also you can show, and you can show some moustache. Any funny drawing you can make. Now what you can do is, approximately this is a center, so one round, two round, and this is center, one round, two round. This is a center, one round, two round. Now here what you can do, you can draw anything that you like. Suppose if I want to add that, so in this block, suppose I am going to add a toffee. Now onto this line what we can do, we can make a big circle, then slight small, small. So this way we can decorate. Anything you can do, but that should all come in symmetry. Similarly, rest all of the part you have to do round. Now after that I can add more designs. Suppose this into between this portion you can take measurement and you can find out a between line. Suppose this is 6 centimeter, so 3 will be half. Make one dot. This is 6 centimeter, so 3. This is half. Approximately you have to find out half. So after that what I can do, I can make a curve. I can join this line. And so you have to check whether it is equal or not. If you wish you can take measurement also. 1 centimeter. You can check 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter in 1 centimeter height you have to make this one. Just 1 centimeter dot also you can give. If it is not coming freehand, you can take totally support with geometry. Scale, protector. So once you're comfortable with taking measurement, very easily you can do so many beautiful mandalas. Now after that, what we can do, we can make it little bit lighter so that easily we can trace. Now after this, we will start tracing with this normal black pen. This is my black gel pen. So very carefully and slowly you have to trace. So this whole drawing you have to trace. Now after this, we will start doing the different colors. So what are the colors? That any color you can choose, any color you can take. Suppose this is orange color I'm using for the center. So slowly you have to color this whole area as per your own choice and very carefully. I'm using crayons, and for fine area you can use pencil color also. If you want to color with pencil color, you can use that, and for broad area you can use crayons. Now after coloring this whole part, this mandala art is ready. You can fill as per your own choice. Colors also you can choose if you like other color. If you want to add more alternative color, that also you can do. If you want to add one yellow, one green, rainbow colors, that also you can do.